In this video, we're going to cover how to set up your table layout in Prev Point of Sale. Start by clicking on the table service icon. Here, you'll see we have a blank screen. First of all, we need to create a room. Let's click into Design Mode. You'll have to have the proper security to enter Design Mode. The security setting is tied to the ability to see all items and menus. Now that I'm in design mode, I can click on Add a Room, and we'll enter our room name. If you'd like to add any restrictions about the availability, you can do so, and then choose your default order type, typically table. Sometimes people will use bar or other order types. Now we can click a background for our room floor. You can choose one of the backgrounds we have here, or you can choose a color. Now we'll hit Apply. If I need to make any changes, I can just click Edit Room to change this room property. Now I'm ready to start adding tables. Just click somewhere in the room to create your first table. We'll enter a table number and choose what type of seats we want. I'm going to have this be a square 4-top table, and now I can choose what the tabletop should look like, or again I can choose any color for my tabletop. Just go ahead and choose white. And now I'm going to hit Apply. Now I can just drag this table anywhere I'd like in my layout. Now to create another table, just click again and all of my settings will default. All I have to do is change the table number and then line up the table where I want it. So I can continue to do that. Maybe we want to create a different style of table, a booth for example, and change the table number. And you just can continue to build your layout like that. In addition to tables, I can enter walls. So in this example, let's do, we'll do a brown wall, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And so you can use the walls to create areas of your room. You can also enter some different items. There's a few different graphical items, for example, a plant, or let's enter our pool table here. Finally, we can enter a restroom. And the reason you would do that is because we have the ability to do a restroom alert that will track how often someone services the restroom. So we'll go ahead and do that right there. When you're done with your design, you can just click out of design mode and you're ready to use your table layout screen.